Yeah, ma'am. From one.
Yeah, please quick. Tomorrow you have math exam, right? Please practice the sums. If you have any doubts, please let me know.
Ma'am, I have four. Ma'am, I have doubts.
Just those that take images and send it. After my classes, I will give you a reply for you back. Whatever the doubts you have, please post your doubts to my WhatsApp so that I can free time. I immediately respond to you. Then write down the algebraic expressions. In algebra, we know that children we are learning about the simple equations too in your grade 6. What are yes?
Ma'am, can you tell what you told yesterday?
What is our?
Ma'am, what you told yesterday, ma'am?
Yesterday, lines and angles, the same thing we
Ma'am, we did some exercises.
Children, please remain once at time 6:30, Nana.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Please remind me by 6:30 or else I will continue. I'm not, I will forget everything. Algebraic expressions. This is our next chapter. We completed yes, fractions, decimals, rational numbers, exponents, powers, simple equations, and yes, what other things? Lines and angles we completed, and last concept like data handling, probability we completed. And only a few important topics left with us, so that we'll complete first algebraic expressions, then we will go with another part like ratios and proportions too. Yes, in this chapter, the major concept we supposed to cover, children. What are the things we supposed to discuss in your grade 6? So you supposed to just connect with your concept. Children, do you remember patterns, beautiful patterns you have? Yes.
Ma'am, is it fractions or something?
Pattern, not fraction.
Oh, patterns, yes, ma'am.
Patterns, yes. Who are waiting in the waiting room?
The first topic we are going to do algebra expression pattern.
Just a minute, Nana. Few students are still waiting room. I'll just call those students, so then we can start our lesson.
Ma'am, actually, it was showing that class was not started. That's
why it is showing like that? There is
now,
Ma'am, if we are in the part and then the class is started, we are not able to see, ma'am. Then we have to go back again, then it will come.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think she didn't reload the page.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Please refresh the page, children. You just observe the following patterns, children. Please, first we will start with patterns, then you can understand what are the expressions. There is a wonderful patterns you observed in your grade 6 too. How we are doing, you know that. How many math sticks are used for this patterns? Please try to read and understand.
Ma'am, for the first one, there are 3. For the second one, there is
yes, first one
6.
we are using a 3 only. In second one, 1, 2,
3
3, 4, 5. 5. Only we are using 5. And for this, what we are using, Nana? Yes.
7. 7. Ma'am, 7.
Suppose for next, if you take another one, what you can use, how many math sticks you can use to make this? Yes.
Ma'am, 9.
9.
9. Can you please?
Ma'am, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20.
Ma'am, it will be all odd numbers.
Yeah, suppose children, let me take a small thing here. All odd numbers only getting, very good. And by general formula, if you want to find out the general formula for this pattern, for this, let me take a figure first. To make a first figure, first figure, how many math sticks are needed, children? Number of sticks are needed is?
I think 3.
Yes.
3.
Number of sticks needed is 3. Suppose for a second figure, how many math sticks are needed? 5.
And the formula can be
Yeah. Then 7. Then suppose if I'm
4,
taking
9.
5, 6 on up to 10.
Ma'am, can I tell what is the like formula for it?
Yeah. Algebraic expression. I want general algebraic expression.
Ma'am, if we take n as the nth nth shape.
Whatever alphabets you can
Yes,
take.
ma'am. Ma'am, it should be ma'am
Okay.
ma'am 2n plus 1.
Very good. 2x plus 1. Suppose if I'm taking as a general formula, in place of x, you substitute a 1. So what happens, children? 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. You will
Ma'am,
get.
3.
If you substitute x value as 2, what you will get? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. If you substitute x as 3, what you will get, children?
7.
7. Can the same way what we can write as general formula here for to find this pattern, we can write as a formula 2x plus 1, right? Yes or no, children? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please the same way, why I am taking this means why we are using expressions to generalize rules, to write the general formulas. We need to use the algebraic expression. So let me find the expression for the following figures, children. You just make
Ma'am,
let me take before example. I'm taking with a triangle. In second thing, I'm going with you're supposed to make how many
ma'am,
math? Yes, for this figure, how many matchsticks are needed? Please let me know, children.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, this figure, ma'am. This
Yeah,
one.
just I'm doing the second and the down.
Ma'am, for 1 square, we
Ma'am,
need
for
4.
four and
Four,
matchsticks is 7.
Second one is
Third
8.
one is like 10, ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10.
10.
Is it 10 or 11?
Ma'am, 11, ma'am. It is 10, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hey, you count it properly.
Ma'am, 11, ma'am. It is 11.
Only 10, ma'am. Ma'am, 10.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute.
ma'am, 2x minus 1. Ma'am, 2x
Yes.
minus 1.
Correct only. 10 correct only, Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 correct only. So here, what is general formula we can write here, Nana? What is
3x plus 1.
very good. 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. If you substitute in place of x as 1, what you will get? X3.
X value will be 9.
If you substitute as x equal to 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 1.
6 plus 1 is 7. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Correct.
if you substitute x as 3, you will get 3 3s are 9.
9 plus 1 is equal to 10, ma'am. This is also correct. So,
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Why did we get 3x plus 1, ma'am?
If you are not going to take a 3x plus 1, our pattern won't, you're supposed to check whether we are doing algebraic expression, you are taking as 3x plus 1. But you just 1 minute, Nana Mahavir, just a minute, I'll come to you, Nana. Please listen. Here, the Ritvik N is asking why we supposed to take as 3x plus 1. Why can't we can take it as a 2x? Whatever expression we are taking, Mahavir, we supposed to check for it should be accepted it should be true for everything, not for the same thing, not for single term. It should be true for all. Srusti, please.
Ma'am, for example, the number is 2, so we can write 1x is equal plus 1, ma'am.
3x, that's why we are supposed to take a 3x plus 1 as expression only we can satisfy. Suppose you are seeing the first one as 4. So, ma'am, can I take it as 2x? X as 2. X as 2 means what happens? So, it is not going to satisfy for, it is not going to satisfy for further. It should be satisfy for both all the patterns. Now, suppose if you take first figure, if you put x value as 1 there, 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. The first figure it is satisfied. 4 sticks are needed. Coming to go with the second figure. There are 7 matchsticks are needed. We need to write as a general formula 3x plus 1. So 3 into 2. 3 2s are how much, Nana?
6. 6 plus 1, 7.
6 plus 1, 7. If you go with the third figure, it should be satisfied for all the things, Nana. That's why we are going to write as a general formula, general pattern. Okay. Ritvik, N, did you agree with me, Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it should be, see Ritvik, if you want to get the third figure, so you're supposed to substitute 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is?
Ma'am?
9 plus 1 is 10.
10, ma'am.
Suppose I want the figure, let me draw something here. The pattern is like that. Suppose this is the question. 2,
Yes, ma'am.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many matchsticks are needed without using your general? You just count your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
So 3 into 7 plus 1. So you just check it, Nana. 21.
Ma'am, 22, ma'am.
Ma'am, 22, ma'am. What one, ma'am? I didn't understood.
Because
3 7s are 21 and plus 1 is 22.
So even you count, children. If you have any doubt, you can count with the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 sticks are needed. This is the way.
Ma'am, but that is too long, ma'am. We can do this like this, ma'am.
Ma'am, I understood, ma'am. Ma'am, like if they gave like that, we should make the equation, ma'am.
Yes, we need to write an expression. Very good. We need to write an expression.
Yes, ma'am.
We need to write an expression. General formula, Nana. Instead of doing this all, we are writing general formula for the patterns.
Yes, ma'am. 3x plus 1 is equal to 22, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Next one. Now, before going to the
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when they ask some question in examination,
Okay.
ma'am, like, is there any procedure to do it, or do we need to directly answer the
This
question?
is only for your understanding why algebraic expressions are needed. How you are getting algebraic expressions? Why we actually, where we are getting algebraic expressions, we are writing general rule for the given pattern. We are writing general rule. Only the thing that should be interrelated. It's not, it is coming from numbers only. It is not coming from somewhere. It is generalized rule, Nana. It's a general rule. Suppose, what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. That is general formula. But we know that sum of all sides should be equal to the perimeter. We know that the length of boundary is perimeter. Instead of doing, we are making one general formula for our patterns, right?
Means 1 channel will take us like
Yes.
that.
Yes, please. Next, find algebraic expressions for the following series. I will give some number series. Please try to make your expression, Nana, by seeing the numbers, how it is going to change. You just please see the series and just a minute. Let me write an example. Find an algebraic expression. Find an algebraic expression. This is basic part, Nana, don't worry. We will go with the expression for the following series. For the following series. Algebra comes from numbers only, Nana. Numbers, number patterns, nothing new. We know that numbers very well. Number operations very well. Algebra is nothing but it's a generalized arithmetic. It's a generalized arithmetic. Find algebraic expression for the following series. For the following series. The series is given here. The series is given here. Just let me write on the screen, children. Please think about it. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, 65. How it is going, please supposed to try to find, Nana.
Ma'am, like 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Ma'am, 2 in everything 2 is adding, ma'am.
Only 2 only adding?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, 2 and 5, 3 is the
Yes, ma'am.
difference.
2 and 5.
Don't
Ma'am,
understand.
first 2 added to
5, 7
5,
like
ma'am.
that.
Ma'am,
Anna,
5
2
plus
square
5 is
plus
10.
okay,
And
2 square,
two.
no, 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1. You just observe, no, I'm writing, I'm not, whether I'm not true or not, I don't know. I'm just writing 1
Ma'am, you're right, ma'am. 1 square plus 1, it is 1.
2
2
square plus
square plus
1,
1, it
3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1. I'm not sure, children, I'm trying, you just
ma'am, x square plus 1, ma'am. Ma'am, x square plus 1 is the formula.
6 square plus 1, 7 square plus 1, 8 square plus 1. Can I write as a general formula as x square plus 1?
And they all are correct.
Ma'am,
Very good.
yes, ma'am.
Is it all will satisfy you? Just find out, children. Is any other pattern is there? You have to see. Any other thing is there? Please look at that.
No, ma'am, all are correct.
All are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything will be satisfied.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Very good. Yeah, like that you have to think, children. You have to think and do. What are the changes are happening? Here the difference is 3. Here difference is 5. Here difference is 7. 2, 3, 7. Then difference is again. So difference we are unable to. Any other thinking should be happen. You supposed to think a lot here. In number.
I'm like everything it's adding 2 plus 5, ma'am.
Yes. You
Ma'am, for following answers, we can do like this only, no, ma'am. 9 square plus 1 like that.
This is a very, very beautiful questions you have in your arithmetic, children. You have competitive examinations also. Number series is very important.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in logical reasoning, half of the questions will be like this only.
So that this is for your mentally you're supposed to think. Algebra is not coming from somewhere new concept, children. Algebra coming from your number patterns only. Okay. Okay, Nana. Algebra is nothing new. It's from number patterns. It's coming from generalized rules. It's coming from to give you my message like that. I just gave this, and here we got an expression. What are the general rule we are having? Previous cases as 2x plus 1, and another case we are taking as 3x plus 1. Here x square plus 1. Please you see that these are algebraic expressions. Now we are going with what are different types terms in the expression. What are different terms in the expression? What are the different terms in your expression, children? Yes, Nana, what are constants? What are variables? You're supposed to understand those things. What are variables? Let me write now one more point right here. What are variables and constants? Variables. What are variables, Nana? Vary. Vary means what is the meaning for vary? Changes. What are variables means? Variable is a not fixed.
I'm like changes.
Yes. Variable, its value is not fixed. Variable, its value is not fixed.
Yes, ma'am.
Value is not fixed. Its value is not fixed. Constants. What are constants? Children? Is it value is fixed here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, its value is always fixed.
Yeah, you can write examples like variables as letters X, Y, Z, or A, B, C, anything, any A.
All the letters.
Yes, any letter A to Z. Any letter A to Z you can write, and constant you can use your numbers, Nana. So what are the constants? We can take 1, 2, 3, any numbers. Constants are numbers, numeric numbers. It's not, it is a fixed value. It is not going to vary, it is fixed value.
Ma'am, example.
Any number you take, Nana, either
Ma'am, 10.
10 also one of the examples.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Please
Yes.
complete what are constants and variables. Variables are not fixed. Constants have a fixed value, like 1, 2, 3. Those are the constants.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Kanajay, please.
Ma'am, 8 will be right. 8 will be in a one more side. What is it?
8.
Ma'am, 8 will be right. Another side of 8 means to the right side, it will be like 2 balls. What is it, ma'am?
A to Z, Nana. A to Z, right?
No, ma'am. 8.
Ah.
Number 8 is there, right? If we 8 is like this, if we tilt to one more side.
That's infinity.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, children. Let me write the points like terms of.
I'm now still writing constants, ma'am.
So you're writing constant, it's just examples. Write down, Nana. 1, 2, 3. Why 1, 2, 3 are constants means it's have a fixed value. Constants have a fixed value. Examples 1, 2, 3 or any numerical numbers you're supposed to write down. Please. Yes, it's 6:28 today. I just stop this, children. Please go through with the terms of an expressions and the
Yes,
factors.
ma'am.
Yes, what
Ma'am,
are-
any homework?
Homework.
Yes, Nana, please, you see, no homework for today. Let me give some number patterns so that you can make your general rule for the patterns. Can you please do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, just I'm drawing a small figure, children. Please do that. Please make as what is this shape, children? You know this. What is this shape?
Ma'am, pentagon.
Ma'am,
Pentagon.
ma'am, no, it's
Hexagon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
pentagon.
Ma'am, it's a hexagon.
Hexagon.
Ma'am, hectagon is like a circle like that. ma'am.
Oh, Nana. So six-sided
Six-sided.
figure means six-sided figure. Honey bees. What is this?
Ma'am, pentagon.
Ma'am, hexagon.
Hexagon.
Pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides.
Pentagon have 5 sides. This is 6 sides figure.
No,
Please,
ma'am, that's fine.
please write this general formula for this. And not only this, you can go with some other general formula. You arrange for the number system too. I'm writing the small numbers here. 1, 8, 27, 64, and 120.
Ma'am, it is 5x plus 1.
I don't know. Please try it tomorrow.
Ma'am, we have to find all.
Please, you're supposed to try, children, and I have a little work. I can complete those next class. I will take
Ma'am,
the.
time is 6:30.
Yeah. I'm just supposed to leave, Nana. I have some.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Please write down the numbers pattern so that you can think and do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't waste your time, children. Please.
Ma'am, the last one is easy, ma'am. Ma'am, x plus 3. Ma'am, it's actually x plus 3. Ma'am, actually the before number plus 3.
Yes.
Very good, Nana. Please do that. Try it, children. Try to do even any other patterns are there. Please go. Such an
Ma'am, and the second one is before number plus 2. Ma'am, the other one is before number plus 2.
Yeah. We'll discuss everything. Please take a note or screenshot, children, so that I can close this part.
Ma'am, the first one is a
Done,
little
ma'am.
tricky.
Yes.
I'm
children.
done, ma'am.
Ma'am, the first one is a little bit tricky, I guess.
Yeah, please think it, children. Nothing too tricky there. Please think it. Okay. Yes. Bye, children. Have a nice day. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
Thank you, children. We'll go with some other extra time for next class because I need to attend one more workshop right now.
Yes, ma'am. No problem. Thank you, ma'am.